Hello people, hello beautiful people. In today's video, you're gonna see straight to the point what I'm gonna tell you about my Content AI.OS system and how business owners and how any content producer can generate content responsibly. 80% of the content can be automated. While this is not a dream so far, now this has come to reality. So for starting this, I have gave let me tell you three tech stacks which I have used: Airtable, Make.com, and OpenAI. They are pretty much simple, but I'll just tell you some things. Okay, for input, I have used these automations. This is a Slack audio message. If I pull up my phone, if I message to my private Slack message, what will happen is that will get transcribed and into our content database. This is one way. Second way is a Google Drive upload. If I have a YouTube video or any video which I like, which I have downloaded, I can upload that onto Google Drive and that will get transcribed and again to our Airtable. Third is very interesting. Third is a Google video, a YouTube video. Whenever you see a YouTube video, you like it, you think it's unique, you wanna make something out of it, you wanna maybe copy something out of it, you wanna add your twist into it. How will you do that? How will you get the good stuff from this video? You will use this one. So what I'm thinking, we have a Google Sheet in which we add our YouTube video URL, and whenever it gets there, it gets transcribed and sends to where sends to it gets transcribed and sends to our Airtable here. Like you see this Google Sheet, we are using an AP file actor to get the transcription, and after transcription we get it and we send it to our record. So these are best input automations. And the second best is like idea form. You can fill in an idea form. You have an idea, you want to put it in the form, just put it in social post. Yep, and that's it. So what we are doing is raw input automations. Where it takes us is this raw content database. So what is our raw content database? It's a place where we have all the things which we just sent it, just which I showed you. This is a place. So everything is raw here. You see that we have idea as an idea form, transcription copy, everything. These transcription could be from the video, these could be the text which I posted in a social, there's a social post form. If I like a post from LinkedIn, I can copy that post and I can throw that in this form and submit it. This way this will also get into this transcription slash copy row. So this is the YT video link. This is a video we uploaded, and it's telling us a source type. Is it a video upload? Is it idea form? Most of these and like everything which I have set up here is directly set it up through these automations which I showed you right now. Where are they? Oh yeah. So these automations, when I click Airtable, I set the fields. I set the fields pre-hand because like which is the source type, okay, and the video link and everything. I just put in and populate that. So you see here an option which is content transformation. This is the cool part. Stay with me with here. So in the content transformation, you see you have option to generate a blog, 5x tweets, carousel, Facebook post. Who did that? I did that. And you see, I have given the option. I have set up a webhook for every one of those links. You see this? A webhook URL ID. Whenever I click on this, it triggers the webhook, and that webhook is this one, which is going to this automation, that is content transformation action. This is when we turn our tiny bits and chunks of content into a whole package. Like we want a YouTube video, you can get the title, you can get the transcription, you can get a thumbnail. Now with these all three, even with the thumbnail, you can create another piece of content just by vision model, AI vision model. Just by a title, you can create a blog post. Just by the transcription, you can create 5 or 10, 15 different tweets. So this is what we are doing here. We are taking small bits of content and this is actually the AI.OS content repurposing system, because it repurposes your content so much and in a so much way that it just pushes and just crunches the content and gets every single value out of it as possible. So the content transformation system is in just an automation in Make.com, which I've set up. It's a bit secret. So yeah, the AI models, I call those AI models AI androids. Yep, my training social androids. how do I train my social androids is through it's based on the single most thing, ICP, your ideal client profile. This is very important. And on top of ideal client profile, we use viral posts, such as if I'm making a android for LinkedIn, so I use viral LinkedIn posts, viral LinkedIn hooks, and hooks, rehooks, ending CTAs and formats and everything. And then style and tone, like what style do you speaking, where are you from, what is the dialect, everything. So I also include that into our training in social androids. And then the third is industry. What industry are you working in? Are you in the real estate industry? So it must be a different android system training. If you are in the agency type, then it's a bit different. So we need to take care of that. When it's taking care, we have built our AI Android, which I call. And then what happens is that they update the content. Like if I send a message, such as text to LinkedIn post, Airtable sends a message to this webhook, including this, and tells it to make a text to LinkedIn post, and it triggers the LinkedIn Android, and that Android make a post and updates that onto again Airtable. Yes, and what happens? Where does it go? It goes to this time AI.OS database. This database is completely different from our raw database. It has everything done by AI. Every piece of content is a content that is previously allowed by you to transform into something which you want. Like, see, this is a content generated by AI on the platform which we have selected was X and Twitter. The type is text and the status is review. It means that we are currently in need to review this. If we click on, suppose, we click on the review button and we say approved, what will happen is it will get approved. It means that if you like a post, change it by clicking on the approve button. This way, what will happen is once it changes to approved, it gets to a separate view for approved content. If you see here, we have three views, like review, approved, and published. In review, all the status was for review, and the approved section you have the approved. Once you click on review, once you click on approved, it gets it's gone from the approved. It's gone from the review section, and now it's in the approved. And approve means that it's gone for the automation, and that means that we are on our third step, that is AI.OS platform distribution. And once it goes to approve, the distribution automation triggers. It's exciting here. So webhook, and it gets the webhook and it gets the data which is in there. You see this data, content and images, platforms, whatever. This gets the data here in this module, and this sends out to LinkedIn. Like, what do you see these filters? I have selected these filters, like if the platform is, you see the platform is LinkedIn and Facebook. If the platform is LinkedIn, I have this LinkedIn, then move it here. If this Twitter, move here. If it's Instagram, move it here. Facebook, Medium, that's right. And goes to publish view automatically after the content is published on the social media. I told you we have three views, and the third view is published. Once the content is published on social media and is running live, what happens? This automation triggers, and we get something on our Airtable, and Airtable automatically updates that piece of content and sends it to published. So now if you want to review something, you go to review. You just see the post, and whatever post you like, you just click on it. And if you are approved, it means it's currently on the stack of the automation. Whenever the time, appropriate time, which I have, for example, set one day, every day at 8 a.m. morning, a LinkedIn post will get out of the approved section and will be thrown to the automation, and that will make it go to publish. So it is a stack. And in the publish, you can see what things have AI actually published for you, our system. And moving ahead, we have this. This is a carousel. This is a carousel generated by AI. Yes, this is one of the examples which I'm showing you. This is actually a carousel. GPT-5 agents are arriving soon, offering unprecedented automation capabilities for businesses. Okay, this is also a picture which is made by AI. Like this picture, this content is made by AI, and this LinkedIn post is done by AI. Our AI or AI-OS system. I've seen the future of AI is coming faster than you think. Yep, it's very good. It can be improved. It can be improved. I'm not saying it's the best, but I'll tell you, it is something. If you work on it, then this will get you results that maybe you cannot even get yourself. Because, like, it's so dumb not to use AI the once you have the power in front of you. Once you have the power in front of your keyboards, you just need to type something and you just need to click some buttons, and then you can get the results. So why are you waiting for? And this is one of the tweets which I did using this, and everything automatic. I just clicked as I showed you, and just clicking this generated it, and it did it automatically on the time it generated, and the Facebook post saying. So these are some examples which I showed you. So done by Content AI.OS system. So guys, if you like this blueprint, if you like what I told you, please hit the like button. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, um, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the comment and like also, and share it to your friends. And also on LinkedIn, repost this guy, repost it. Let your friends know about me, and let them know about how AI and automation is helping content creators generate more content more efficiently, faster, and more cheaper. So guys, that's it for the video, and I hope you like it. Then see you then till the next video.